Hi everybody, and welcome along to my final part of The Little Christmas Elf. After I've finished, I'll pass it over to Mr. F and he'll do the binding. But I'd just like you to see how I finished it off. There's nothing complicated, nothing worrisome at all about it. So mine is The Little Christmas Elf, and this is what we've got done. The stocking, and I've sort of bejazzled it on the last time, so it's got some sparkle to it now. The ruffle page, this is a journal page out of the kit with just a pocket on it and a little journaling card of the snowman there. I've attached some ribbon to the corner and glitter around there and on the bells. I don't know if you can see that, but it is actually a very glittery page. And on the back of that we've got our Christmas cracker, which has got some stenciling around it and a couple of journaling cards there. Then our centre spread, which when Mr. F comes to binding the book, he'll show you how to put this into your book. But it's really fabulous, and I think I might actually implement this in my next Christmas journal because I really love this page. So that's the centre of that one. Then we've got the match book, which is a journal and a page out of the kit here with Santa, and I've just put glitter around his white fur, a ruffle on the bottom and a little bit of bling there. It's hard to pick up on the camera, but it's quite a blingy page. And on the back we've got a journaling page out of the kit, which I've put glitter on, a little tummy tuck across the middle there, little journaling card just with a red bow, all backed with coffee stained paper, little envelope here out of the kit, comes with a little journaling card to go in there, which is very cute, and I've just used a little circle shape there to catch the top of the envelope in, and added a little gold snowflake, embossed snowflake there. And that, then we've got Santa's suit. You watched me how to make that, so if you want to make another one that's an elf in green and red, or green and I'm not sure what elf's uniform is, but you certainly could. Further on in the book I've put glitter on his lapels and down the centre where his buttons are, and there's a big journaling card in the back there, backed with coffee stained paper, and on the back it's a journaling page out of the journal, and I've used my stamp to just stamp Happy Christmas and popped two little journaling cards. They're all backed from the kit into that corner pocket, which is also part of the kit, and I've just stuck a gold snowflake there with a little gem in the centre. That's the end of the first signature. The second signature, we've got this page, which is Santa coming down the chimney. It's fabulous. It's a fabulous page. And some of you have done wonderful things with it, things on the mantelpiece, stockings hanging off the mantel. You've done great things. On the back of there, I've got a fairly plain sheet of journaling out of the kit, and I've just bejazzled the ribbon and the dongy things of the bells. They've got glitter on. The rest is just plain journaling. This is a side tuck spot, and I've cut a Christmas tree shape out of some green, very, very shiny paper. It's so shiny, and it's got a little star at the top of the Christmas tree, and then a couple of gifts down here at the foot of the Christmas tree, 3 gold embossed snowflakes and a journaling tag, all backed, a little bit of red ribbon at the top, and that just fits in behind the Christmas tree there very snugly. Quite a nice idea. On the back we've just got plain journaling page out of the kit, one of the corners out of the kit, and I've just stuck a Christmas ornament sort of shape on there, and 2 journaling cards out of the kit with a bit of ribbon on one of them. They're all backed, they're all inked around, and they just fit in there. And then we've got the Christmas pudding page, which I really like, and I appreciate it probably doesn't mean anything to our American friends, but it does to us in this country. It's a huge part of Christmas. So that was actually the bit that was cut out for the centre spread here, and I had it lying around. It was just so pretty. That red, it's so shiny. So I thought I could use it for that, and I've put sort of this brandy sauce being poured over the top, some holly leaves which have glittered, and I just stuck some stickers on the background and a couple of journaling cards in there. This page, it's just journaling. It's straight out of the kit. Nothing's happened to it. It's really sweet. Little girl holding the mistletoe over her head and a little doggy there. So that's lovely. This is our bunting page, which just works like that. So you pull it out and you've got, oh, you can't see all that. I put 3 flags in. You could put loads more. You could really go to town on it. So that's like that, and that goes like that. And then on the back of that, which I'm not sure I showed you, but I mean, it's very straightforward. It's a journaling page out of the kit, another one of the pockets out of the kit with a journaling card in, and all I've done is tied a little red ribbon at the top there. So it's really straightforward. You don't need my help to do that. We've done it before. And then this is the only page really that's got something on it, ornamentation wise, and it's just a piece of that green card that I used to make the Christmas tree out of. It's so sparkly, and this is a candy cane. The image I got from Google, and it, I just put in Google candy cane image, and this is what came out. And I've put glitter on all the white bits, and I've made a hole on each side of the candy cane and tied this red ribbon round it, so it looks very authentic. And then I've just used a page out of the kit as a journaling card to slide in behind it. So that's the only thing that I've done really that you haven't seen me do, but it's so straightforward. Print out your image of the candy cane first and then put it down. That'll give you the width to cut your belly band at. And that's it. Stick it on at the top, stick it on at the bottom, and tie a red ribbon around your candy cane. It's very, very straightforward. And here we have another journaling page straight from the kit, stuck down 2 little journaling, a tag and a card that comes with the kit. You've seen me do that before, so that's, no problem there. This page you watched me make, it was an envelope that we made a flip on. This is from the kit. We put a journaling page in there, and I did just actually add that. It's in the kit, but I just added that for a bit of extra journaling, but you can always journal on the back, it's plain. And that just fits into that envelope. And then when you flip the envelope out, there's a picture of Santa with all his presents. I just wanted something to be there, just a sort of surprise, if you like. So when you open that up, there's a picture of Santa. And then on the back, I think that's my back page, yeah, it's this little girl writing a letter to Santa, Dear Santa. And that's it. So the only thing that you haven't actually seen me make that isn't just a journaling page is the candy cane page. But as I say, it's very straightforward. Print your candy cane out to the size you want it, cut it out, and then work out how wide you want your belly band to be. Cut that off, glue it at the top, glue it at the bottom. Job done. Make a couple of holes each side of your candy cane, tie your ribbon through, and there you have it. So that, ladies and gents, is pretty much the end of my input into the little golden holiday book for this year. I really hope you've enjoyed following along, and I know a lot of you have, and you've come up with some fabulous ideas, and you've taken my ideas and just run with them, and you've made them really beautiful. So thank you for your participation in this. As I say, I really hope you've enjoyed it. I'll put a swap post up in the group, the Facebook group, Miss Paint-A-Lot's Junk Journal group, for those of you that want to swap these, but I understand quite a lot of you want to keep them. But there will be some that want to swap, so I'll put a post up for that in the fullness of time. Give you a chance to finish them first. Okay, so thanks for joining me. See you soon.